So this is question number 54 of GATE 2017 Metallurgical Engineering. A 250 mm thick slab of a nickel alloy is subjected to cold rolling using a roll of a diameter 450 mm. If the angle of bite during rolling is 10 degree, the maximum possible reduction during rolling is that we have to calculate. So to know more about the problems involved in rolling, you can refer lecture number 30, Analysis of Rolling Load Calculations, from the course Principle of Metal Forming Technology by Professor Pradeep K. Jha from IIT Roorkee. So in this problem, we have to calculate the maximum possible reduction, that is delta H max. So what is basically this maximum possible reduction? Let's say we have a two rolls, right? So these are the two rolls, and from these rolls we have a thick slab passing, and here it is entering and it is exiting here, right? So if this is our H entrance height and this is our exit height, or you can say thickness of our slab, so the difference between this H0 minus HF, so the maximum difference is nothing but delta H max. So this is what we have to calculate, like the maximum possible reduction that we can achieve if these are the condition mentioned in the problem. So the value of delta H max is basically given by the relation delta H max equals to mu square times R, where mu is nothing but our coefficient of friction and R is the radius of roll radius, right? And the value of mu is basically nothing but given by mu is equal to tan alpha, and alpha is our angle of bite, right? So the angle with which this slab is entering inside your roll, the angle of bite. So the angle of bite is 10 degree. If you put the value of alpha, then it will give you the value of mu, which is tan of 10 degree, right? So the value of mu is tan 10 degree. So you simply put the value of mu square and R, so delta H max will be calculated. So it will be equal to tan 10 degree to the whole square times R. R is nothing but radius of our rolls, and diameter of roll is 450, so its radius will be by 2. So if you solve this, this will be 0.17 times 450 by 2 will be 225. So if you solve, delta H max will be equal to 6.995, which is approximately equal to 7 in mm. So the maximum possible reduction is 7 mm considering this situation. So right answer is 7 mm. Thank you.